Imagine a bustling city where humans and robots coexist. While humans are busy going about their day, there is a whole world of activity happening in the lives of the robots that serve them, from the moment they boot up in the morning until they power down at night. A robot's day is filled with interesting tasks and challenges. As the sun rises, the city starts to wake up, and so do the robots. They begin their day by checking their systems and ensuring they are running smoothly. Just like humans, robots need fuel to function properly, so they recharge their batteries or refuel with electricity before venturing out into the world. Once up and running, robots set off on their assigned tasks. Some robots are designed for manual labor, like street cleaning or construction work. They tirelessly sweep the streets, pick up trash, or assemble buildings with precision and speed, ensuring that the city remains clean and functional. Other robots are employed in a more interactive role, like customer service or hospitality. They greet people with a friendly smile and assist them in finding what they need. These robots are programmed to provide helpful information, answer questions, and ensure a positive experience for everyone they encounter. While some robots are busy out in the city, others may be working behind the scenes, tending to important tasks like data analysis, logistical operations, or security surveillance. They work tirelessly, crunching numbers, monitoring systems, and ensuring the smooth functioning of various operations within the city. As the day progresses, robots continue their duties diligently. They adapt and learn from their environment, constantly upgrading their programming to become more efficient and effective in their tasks. They communicate with one another, sharing valuable information and collaborating to solve complex problems. When the sun sets and human activity starts to wind down, robots also prepare for rest. They complete their final tasks, tidy up their workspaces, and return to their charging stations or designated resting areas. They power down, ready for a well-deserved break and recharge before the next day begins. In this bustling world, robots are an integral part of everyday life. They work tirelessly, complementing human efforts and ensuring the smooth functioning of various tasks and industries. While human lives may take center stage, the day in the life of a robot is an exciting and vital part of a thriving city.